Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is March 18th, 2015, and today is Tuesday. So big day in the economic calendar. Starting with 11:30 South African time this morning, we're going to have major numbers coming out of England, major rate numbers actually, interest rates. And then we're going to have different speaking about it and policy meetings at 11:30 simultaneously. And then at 12 o'clock, we have Mario Draghi speaking again. Maybe he could revive the euro, perhaps. Let's see what happens. And then later in the day, at 8 o'clock South African time and 8:30, we have the interest rate decision in the U.S. coming out. And then 8:30, FOMC Chairman Yellen will be speaking. So major numbers coming out today. May really rock and shock the market. So potentially it could be a really great day. Looking at the markets, euro again just bouncing a little bit. Let's look at a 4-hour chart, but nothing really major. As you can see here, it's on the top of its range, but really, it has to really, show some sort of catalyst in order to bounce up. If it bounced above 106.50, maybe I'd look to buy it, and in anticipation that it could hit somewhere, okay, that above 108. But at this stage, it's still dead. Okay, so I'd still be looking for the short side for it altogether. Looking at the USD Japanese yen, really quiet. Looking at the GBP USD, which should be a major play today, we're at 147, and like we said, on a multi week chart, we're just below the threshold of 148. So to say that this is a bottom, there's nothing technically indicating that. So the next bottom would be a 144-ish. Okay, that's where I would put the next bottom. However, if we do break above 148.85, okay, definitely if we break above 149, then we could challenge this 150 level. I mean, this is a major retracement for such a major currency like the GBP. So I'd expect to see some sort of bounce sometime, because this is already over 7-8 months that we've been just selling off. So I'd keep an eye on that. Looking at gold, pretty quiet yesterday, just settling at 153, 1148. We're just about lower than the threshold that we said before of 1150, excuse me, and you should maybe anticipate further decline. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that warrants it at this stage, but definitely if we continue to break down below 1140 with a thick bar and we close down, then we could definitely challenge the 1100 area. But keep an eye on it because it has been a major play. Looking at the Dow Jones, been quite quiet a day before the FOMC. It is quite affected by the FOMC, so I would expect some sort of a retracement or a bounce for it. So I'd look to trade the Dow actually when Chairman Yellen will be speaking today. Looking at oil, dead in the waters. Okay, I hope everybody's really enjoying going to the gas pumps and filling up their cars with gas, because it's at $42 a barrel. Okay, we're breaking lower. We may see if it breaks this 42 threshold, then we can maybe see it going back to 38, 37, 35 even. I mean, and people were predicting that it would go all the way up to $30 a barrel. That's a huge retracement for oil. Obviously, it's normally trading around the $100 mark, which is a major retracement for it. Okay, so again, major news today with the GBP early this morning at 11:30, and then later today, FOMC this evening. This is Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day.